Hey guys, Jenny here with Isa and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button. So I'm back with a mini makeup review, and I'm also going to show you in this video how I contour with powder and how I highlight. So for today's video, I'm going to be using Pur Contour Diaries and my favorite Kevyn Aucoin. So I've already done, my base, my eyebrows, and obviously my lip. So I'm going to show you how I contour with powder, and I'm going to start off by contouring. And I use a angled brush like this. And I really like this contour palette. It's super cute. So I like that it has the, the contouring and also highlight powders that you can use. I like, the color combination. It does have a lot of fallout when I use it with my brush, but, it's okay. It's not too bad. I can swatch these for you guys. Secret. And then we're going to do Passion. And then we're going to do Mystery. That one's pretty dark. So you see like the fallout? I really don't like that, but it's alright. Then for the highlighters, we have Charm. And then we have Dream, which is like a yellow, which I think I would use that one. And then Flirt. So I really like the contour of colors. The highlighters, not so much. I don't know if I will be using those. Maybe on, my clients or something. But the contours definitely I would use. All right, so let's go in with Passion. I'm going to use Passion, and I'm taking my angle brush, and I'm going to be contouring my cheekbones, my jawline, a little bit here on my chin, so I can diminish this part here and make it like not so out, like pointy. I'm going to contour my nose, my forehead, and a little bit on my temples. So I also want to get rid of this, my forehead. I feel like I have a big forehead, so I apply a little bit here. All right, so I take my angle brush, and a cool little secret for you guys. You can take your fingers and make them into a V and go here. So this will be the area that you want to contour. That's one way. Or you can contour from up here, starting where your earlobe starts here. You want to contour this way. Another cool tip that I have for you guys is where your arch is at right here. You want to contour from here to here. You don't want to ever go up below this line, okay? Because then it'll droop your face down. We also want to keep it up. So that's a cool tip for everyone. It is universal, so you guys can use that on any face shape, okay? So this one is my favorite tip, so don't go past this line. So I'm gonna contour from here, and as you can see, I'm not gonna cross that line. You see right there? That's where I stop. So I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. And I'm just taking my angle brush and bringing it downward. Okay, like that. See that? Now I'm gonna go into with my jawline here down below, and then I'm gonna extend it out. And here too. And if you can tell, I'm not using a lot of product. I'm using the product that's already on the brush. We always want to make sure that it looks nice and blended. It doesn't look like, it was purposely placed on there. And I'm going in circular motions on my forehead, and I'm going, right here on my temples. So it's just warming up my face. that looks good already. Now I'm gonna take another little brush, and I'm going to contour my nose. And something you won't like this. And I'm gonna contour starting where my eyeball starts here and then bringing it in. And because I want to make sure that it's very, you know, snatched, I am making sure that it's super straight and a very thin line that's going to go, you know, towards here, the center of my nose, the bridge of my nose. So the more narrow this line is going down, the thinner your nose is going to be. Okay, so that's the trick to getting a really you know, snatched nose. Apply a little bit more here, and I like to extend this out, like up here, and blend that in. And then I like to create a V here. Let me see. And then I like to add a little line here to create like a little button nose. And I really like this palette, guys. I was really surprised. I didn't think I was gonna like love it when I first saw it, especially because there was a lot of fallout. But you know what? I like it. It's handy. I like the packaging. It's super cute. And Pur did send me their contour diaries complimentary. But, you know, my opinions are 100% mine, guys. I will tell you if I don't like it. So I'm now taking my powder brush and I'm gonna buff everything out, make sure that everything looks blended in, so it looks natural. And the contour palette retails for $32. I'll make sure to link all that stuff below. But I do really like it. I'm very impressed. I kind of want to go in with Dream and apply a little bit here and see how that looks. I haven't tried the highlight part, so let's see. I'm kind of scared, but let's see. I'm gonna take my beauty sponge from Chino and I'm gonna apply it here. Ooh, that's a lot. I already had highlighted, I used my concealer to highlight, you know, the bridge of my nose and underneath my eyes. So now I'm gonna set that with this powder, and I'm gonna go in again with that powder brush that I used earlier, and I'm just gonna sweep that off. Looks good. I'm kind of scared about this part, but let's see. What do you guys think? Looks good. So now I'm gonna go in with one of my favorite makeup artists, makeup icons, Kevyn Aucoin. And if you guys don't know who he is, make sure to Google him. He's pretty amazing. I've followed him since I can't remember. He is known not only for his artistry, but for his makeup books. Like back in the days when I was a kid, I used to like watch like his, I know there was like documentaries on him, and like his books like were everything. And anyways, yeah, to be able to have this, you know, with me and be able to review one of his products is pretty cool. I'm like super honored that Kevyn Aucoin, you know, sent me this and I get to review it for you guys. So it's basically his highlighter, and it's the neon highlighter, and it has 3 of his best-selling highlighters in one. I love it because the packaging, I just love the packaging. And the pan is huge, guys. Like, I love it. I don't know if you guys can see if my camera and the lighting here is gonna pick up, but it's really beautiful. It has like this gradient effect where it goes from bronze to like a peachy to a champagne color. It's just beautiful. The consistency of it is so creamy, so silky. I truly love his cosmetics. They're freaking amazing. If you guys have not tried them, make sure to try them. This retails at Sephora for $58. You guys can get them at Sephora. And it's pretty cool and I really like it. So I'm going to show you how I usually highlight. So I'm going to take the peachy color and I'm going to apply that with a fan brush on right here. And that's the peachy color. I hope the camera can get it. It's really subtle, but it does give you that nice highlight. And it's so pretty. So see that? I love that. Okay, now I'm going to take the lightest color and I'm going to use my finger for this and I'm going to apply it on the bridge of my nose. So nice. Okay. And I love that with these highlighters, you can actually use them as eyeshadows as well. They don't have to just be used for highlighting. So I can create, you know, a nice eye look with this. That's so nice. I'm gonna go in with the lighter shade, which is Starlight or Candlelight. Candlelight. And I'm going to apply that on the outer corner of my eye. So nice. This is just, you know, to give you like a pop right here. Especially since it's like so natural that I'm going for. Yeah, that looks awesome. So another area that I like to add highlighter to is my Cupid's bow. I'm gonna do that with my finger, like that. I'm gonna do a little bit more here. And like that. So, yep, this is how I usually highlight. So yeah, I'm like so in love with this highlighter, guys. Make sure to, you know, get it if you guys like, you know, good quality products, because this is definitely a higher end product, and I really like the quality of it. It's really nice. So yeah, there you have it. So this is how I contour and highlight. Is a super easy tutorial and review. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment down below. Give me a thumbs up, share this out, and make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks guys so much for watching, and catch me on next time.